21. We carry stories from the ancient land. Truth in the rhythm, freedom in the chant. Fire in the east where the sunrise glow. Voices of the warriors from long ago. Chains may rattle but the soul stand tall. Jah light shining over one and all. Rise up children of the burning sun. The fight for justice never done. Through the darkness hear the lion roar. Freedom knocking at the door. In the morning when the trumpets sound, echo through the ghetto and the battleground. Youth man walking with a vision clear. Truth in his heart and no room for fear. Babylon building walls of lies, but the righteous see through disguise. Steel and stone cannot hide the shame when the people rise in Jah name. From Kingston Harbor to the mountain high, 1,000 voices asking why. Why the children crying in the street? Why the tyrant sitting in the seat? But the river keep on flowing strong, and the suffering turn into song. Every tear become a spark of fire. Lift the people higher and higher. Rise up, let the fire burn bright. Stand together in the truth and the right. From the roots of the earth to the sky above. March with justice, march with love. Rise up, hear the lion cry. No more living under wicked life. Let the drum beat shake every chain. Freedom flowing like the rain. Old man sitting by the roadside tree, telling young ones how it used to be. Days of struggle, nights of prayer, still the people never despair. He say, listen youth, hold your ground. Truth is the strongest sound. When the system tried to break your soul, remember Jah is in control. Children dancing in the dusty yard, laughing loud though life is hard. Hope like a candle in the night, burning soft but shining bright. And the mother singing by the door, praying for peace forevermore. Her voice rhymes with the evening breeze, carrying strength through the trees. Rise up, let the fire burn bright. Stand together in the truth and the right. From the roots of the earth to the sky above. March with justice, march with love. Rise up, hear the lion cry. No more living under wicked light. Let the drum beat shake every chain. Freedom flowing like the rain. Hear the guitar cry like thunder roll, speaking straight to the wounded soul. Bassline heavy like a heartbeat drum, calling all the warriors to come. Every note carry ancient pride, spirit of the ancestors by our side. Through the struggle and the pain we see, the road to true liberty. Babylon tremble when the people unite. Truth like lightning in the night. No dictator, no crown of gold can silence stories yet untold. The ghetto youth with the lion eyes see the dawn in the darkest skies. One step forward, never back again, breaking through oppression chain. Oh, Jah light shine down tonight, guide the children in the fight. Through the valley of despair, let your mercy fill the air. Let the drum beat heal the land, let the truth make people stand. Every nation, every creed, justice is the people's need. Hear the market women laugh and sing, hope in every step they bring. Even when the system tried to take their bread, still they rise and move ahead. Far away in the countryside, farmers working with humble pride, plant the seed in the fertile ground, waiting for the harvest sound. Clouds may gather in the sky, but the sun still rising high. Storms may rage across the sea, but the roots hold the tree. So the people chant in unity, building strength in community, hand in hand through thick and thin. Love is where the war must end. Rise up. justice fill the air. Drums and chants like thunder cry.